As case commenced against U.S. Port of Customs, State of California was main opposing party since they managed San Francisco port entry. However, since this challenge dealt with federal anti-Chinese exclusionary laws, U.S. government joined the case with California against Wong Kim Ark. U.S. asserted Wong Kim Ark is a Chinese national by, quote, race, language, color, and dress. That is, he followed Chinese customs, dressed in Chinese attire called cangpao, or long robe, ate Chinese food, had a Chinese hairstyle called bianzi, or pigtail. Therefore, he was under, quote, Emperor of China control, thus subject to the anti-Chinese exclusionary laws. This mentality kind of reminds me of Ostdeutschland Staatssicherheitsdienst, or the East German Stasi secret police, by which their slogan was, Die Feind ist der anderens Denk. The enemy is one who thinks differently. Now, on the presentation upper right is black and white ID photo of the plaintiff himself, Wong Kim Ark. In that era, all Chinese Americans and Chinese nationals must carry federal photo ID cards, or else you will be immediately arrested and slated for deportation. As case commenced, there were multiple amicus briefs submitted to the High Court, which are legal opinions submitted by third parties not part of the lawsuit, but intended to persuade the court on how it should legally rule on this case. Almost all amicus briefs were of anti-Chinese racial animosities of that period. They proclaimed for people of Chinese heritage in America, U.S. citizenship must follow ancient 2,000-year-old Roman law called jus sanguinis, or right of blood. The doctrine states that you automatically gain the citizenship of your parents no matter where you are born. In addition, U.S. must not follow feudal 1,000-year-old English law jus soli, or right of soil. That doctrine states you automatically gain the citizenship of the country you are born in. Main rationale for this legal slice and dice against Chinese in America was that the Roman Empire existed 1,000 years before feudal England, thus goes further back and commands more historical legal precedents. But it was also an veiled attempt to legally eviscerate any possibility of Chinese Americans from gaining U.S. birthright citizenship. But case deliberation gets even better. When cross-examined by U.S. District Court, U.S. government was forced to concede on the record that if Wong Kim Ark is somehow a U.S. citizen by legal definition, then he is totally exonerated from federal anti-Chinese exclusionary laws, because those racial laws only target Chinese national immigrant aliens and cannot target Chinese American citizens.